I want you to tell us, how did you arrive to this park today?
In a wheelchair with crutches and a knee brace.
I'm just standing over there and I hear somebody come up to me saying, hey, somebody just stood up out of a wheelchair. Come on, there's those crutches right there. Come on, the Lord is in this field. Can you just share what happened? What happened?
My brother over there just prayed for me and I didn't want to get up and I was like, let's try it. And I started moving it around and I started walking. I Jesus is healed me, man.
Come on, test it out. How do you feel? How do you feel? God didn't just heal you for no reason, friend. As I was standing there when I heard this story, I'm standing, I'm praying, and God said, I'm going to use him to heal many others. I just want God is confirming there's going to be just an impartation of that gift of faith and gift of healing over your life. You're going to be an evangelist preaching the power of God, the gospel of Jesus, and you're going to see signs and wonders. Come on, you're going to be preaching in your high school, and kids are going to be getting healed of sickness and diseases.